Hi, Tom, Tracy. I'm Janice from SEO Digital Cunning Agency. I did some research in your area and came across your website. So I'm gonna shoot this quick video to give out these 3 tips to how to beat your competitor in online. So I don't want to waste your time or either my time. I'm going to try to explain it in nice and short. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you can take these tips for free by doing it yourself, but please do give me feedback on my video. The 3 tips that I'm going to cover today is contents, citation, and backlinks. And as you see that on your homepage that actually you need at least like 1,500 words. And what are the picture behind of it? As you see the picture, if I save it, there's no content on your picture. So these are the search engine that can read and basically get an idea what services in your area that you are targeting, and that will position you in search ranking. And as for the content, so this is a content and enough of it to add the keywords and key phrases that people are going to do searching in Google search for someone that find your services that you offer. So now we're moving on to the second important things that I want to talk about is citation. And as you see, this part here is the Google Map pack or the maps, and this result that we can see is for the business name, address, and phone. And as you see that for your citation, you are not on top 3 and you have 2 locations and both of are below of top 3. So these citations are submitted word by word into directories such as Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Yelp, Citysar, so on and on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. So the more you have and the more you will slightly show on the section on these top 3 here. So we are using another resources which is White Spark. It costs about 30 to 70 bucks a month based on your plans, but we can see that your site has about 35 and another location is 38 and your competitors is 38, although the same, almost the same, but you are not on top 3 due to some other reason. Is because of the reviews or the photos. We still need to add on more, and also need to add more as possible of citations. So now the third thing that I want to cover is on this part, which is the organic part. As you see, your website is not on the top number 1. This is we search for auto body repair Lincoln, Nebraska. And we are using another resources, it's called Ahrefs, and this I paid for $400 a month, but if you want you can check it out this by yourself. So as you see, for your URL is your URL strength and it's gonna be powerful looking at, and DR is a trust on how much trust is the power in Google. But the most matter is from the backlinks here to organic traffic that we will be looking in. So as you see that your backlinks is 337 and your competitors have more backlinks than you, and the referring domains here is 90 and you only have 77. So we'd like to tell you that links are created equal. So we don't want to get spam links and have to get very powerful links. So we will go after the domains with high DR, which is as you see here. We will go after with the high DR, and that will give you power to push you up at the top. So once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. Backlink, you need more reference sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies, today you can be #1 across Google. Hope this information has been informative for you. Like I said, if you can either go with this information that I provided you today and do this on your own. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call. Please do remind to give me feedback on this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.